Today, I'd like to share with you all a few drills that have really helped me to build up muscle memory when it comes to doing crossovers. Now, for the purpose of this video, I will be focusing on doing crossovers in a more stylistic way, going straight forward on the straightaway, because I like to sort of do my own thing when I'm at the rink. This is not for when I'm turning around a corner, because for that, your head is looking a certain way and my arms look a little bit different. So if you want a more detailed description of how to do those crossovers, go ahead and check the description below. For this first drill, I'm going to be crossing halfway in front because this is just a warm-up, and a lot of times for me, because this is a tricky move for me, I don't want to jump right into crossing over all the way. So I'm going to step out. Hold on, let's get synced up. There we go. Step out, step halfway, step out again, and then step. So I'm stepping out, step halfway over, step out again, and then step. My choice of arm movements for crossovers is very stylistically just my style, but it's also partially about momentum. So what I like to do is have both of my arms out while I'm crossing over, out to the side. As I'm putting my first foot down to step on, I have both arms go to that side, and then I cross over, put two arms out, and then the arms slowly come down as I step out of it. And as you can see, I am already on to drill number 2, which is stepping all the way over. Make sure that you do it to both sides. Now give it a try moving forward. Step out, cross over, step out. Other side, step out, cross over, step. If you seem to be having trouble with one specific side of your crossovers, don't be afraid to focus on that side and go ahead and isolate that specific foot. So here I'm continuing to do the right over left crossover. I'll show that again. Here's a little bit of the other side. This is the side that I struggle with, which is crossing my left foot over my right foot. Here you can see a top-down view of me isolating the right over left crossover. So I'm crossing over, step, 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 cross, step, 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 cross. So it's crossing the same way. Cross over, step, 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 cross. As you can see by the tennis white line, I'm pretty much staying in a straight line. But as you do this, it's completely normal to be moving in a circular motion, and that's okay. All right, and here is some more of alternating left and right, the step crossover. And as you can see, I'm not going in a circle, I'm going in a straight line. Besides that little curve because there is a corner. And here is a top-down view. This is again just on the straightaway. If you would like a tutorial on crossovers, on how to go around a corner, like I said, check out the description or click here for the video.